All right, boys and girls, we are at the beginning of our mini study on Google Sheets. So I wanted to show you just 3 very easy ways to, I think, use spreadsheets now when you're in 6th grade and in middle school. There are many complicated ways to use spreadsheets. So let's talk about the first way. So we have our spreadsheet set. You can see I have the whole thing picked. So I adjusted our font to 14 and I gave it a title, Football Standings. I always like to start on A2. And what I'm doing here is I want to visualize and show you the NFL football standings in the AFC North, where my favorite team, the Pittsburgh Steelers, is in. So I want to show you the standings from last year. Now, I don't remember them, but I'm going to try my best to remember them. So the first thing is I want to set my column headings. So this is going to be the team. This is going to be wins. This is going to be losses. That's all I want to do. I hit enter. Now, just as a little cosmetic thing, I'm going to highlight those 3 and use my border tool and go underneath like that. So it gives it a black line right there. All right, the 4 teams are the Pittsburgh Steelers. And then second place was Baltimore Ravens. Third place was the Cincinnati Bengals. And last place was the Cleveland Browns. Now, those of you that watch this video outside of where we're from, Columbus, Ohio, it's ironic that these 2 teams are at the bottom. I'm just saying. Now, the Steelers last year had 13 wins and they had 3 losses. The Ravens had 9 wins and 7 losses. Anybody know how many wins the Bengals had? Was it 6? I think they were 6-10. And how many wins did the Browns have? Oh, they had 0. They were 0-16. Now, I have set up my information that I want to share. This is called organizing data. I got my columns nice and neat. I got my numbers in my rows. Now, one thing I'm particular about, I'm going to center everything on my sheet. So now it's like that. One problem left, and that's fitting this column. You can see that we can't see our teams. So we're going to click this arrow. This is a pet peeve of mine. So when you don't have everything fit into a column, you want to click that arrow, click resize column, and then fit the data. And now we have a neat, organized piece of data that we can use later for another project.